Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Friends, in this video, we'll discuss about question number 23, NEET Physics paper 2015. Students, this is 23rd question. If in a PN junction, a square input signal of 10 volt is applied, as shown in figure. So, it is a PN junction, square input signal of 10 volt is applied. This is square signal 10 volt. This is 5 and 5. So it's basically amplitude is 5. So firstly you must remember this amplitude is 5. This is not 10. Input signal voltage is 10. Maximum is. Then the output across RL will be. What will be the output here? Then obviously the diode, there is a single diode. The diode works under forward biasing condition. Diode works under forward biasing condition. That means this will work. This is a diode, block diagram of diode. This is P and this is N, PN junction diode. This is plus and this is minus. Forward biasing implies that this P is connected to positive terminal battery and negative is connected to negative terminal battery, and this is called forward biasing. So it is a one-way process that always diode works in forward biasing condition. So to have forward biasing condition, this has to be connected. This is positive, has to be connected to positive terminal. That means positive voltage. During positive half, this will work. This is negative, actually you are feeding here, negative 5 volt. So this will not work. This diode will not work. Output across RL will be, the what you will get here, the obviously you get, this will work 5 volt. If I provide 5 volt, this will work. This will not work. This is also not possible because it is 10 and 10, the input signal is 10 volt and the amplitude is 5, so you cannot have 10 here. Okay, so this is the only answer, that during when this is connected to positive half of this signal, so during positive half of this signal, this will work. So positive half means 10 by 2 is 5 here, so during 5 volt it will work. Okay, so that is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.